There was a time I almost regretted having a cat fur everywhere. My child coughing nonstop. The house never truly clean. I even thought about weekly grooming visits. That evenly covers your cat or dog. Then I realized the problem was simply the brush I'd been using. After switching to a special mist spray brush, everything changed. No flying fur, no coughing, a calmer cat, a cleaner home. Simply add bio water for a tub-free bath. My only regret now, not discovering this product sooner.